Hello guys and welcome back to a new video, and in today's video I will show you how to download Arc Linux in your mobile. So first we will update our termux by apt update and apt upgrade. You need to just follow my instructions accordingly. I will give you the commands which are required to download termux. Here I am updating and upgrading, so it will take some while. The very important step to do before doing anything in termux. Okay, so it's done. I will give you the command here which is required to download Arc Linux. Okay, so I'm basically pasting it here. I have already created this command, and this command is ready, and I have to just hit enter. Okay, I will give you this command in description. You just need to follow, and you need to just see the instructions I will give you in this video, and you will be successfully downloading Arc Linux in your mobile. Okay, so after executing, it is just doing all the connection and all. After that, it's installing something which is of some MB. Let's see how often it can take. Okay, now it is done and it is going, and you need to just, if it asks for some permissions like yes or no, just give yes every time. Okay, as I will show you in this video how to do it, and it will ask some permissions and all. Okay, so just read and give all the permissions accordingly. So here the updating trust database is done, and locally signing trusted keys all are done. Okay, then it is removing some files which are not required, synchronizing package databases. So it is basically synchronizing core and alarm and all. This will come and it will synchronize, because the starting of any OS, it is important so that the OS can be updated. After that, we need to go in Arc Linux. We will use VNC, real VNC. Okay, the app which I showed you how to download in previous video, where I have downloaded Ubuntu. Okay, where I've showed you how to download Ubuntu using termux. Okay, so it's basically same like that only, but the commands are different. I will give you the command. Okay, so here it is going. It can take it's showing total 128 files and all. Okay, so it is downloading packages, 128 packages going to download, so it can take some while. So I'm skipping the video, only the important parts and all I will show you. You can follow this in your process. Okay, just you need to see how it is going on, and if you face any type of error, then just comment and I will solve it. Okay, I will reply your comments and all. Okay, so here it's going, and it's downloading all the packages. So here it can take some time. Okay, so I am skipping the video. Okay, because it can be some wastage of your time. Okay, so I'm just strictly following what is compulsory, and I will show you that. So it is done, and the 128 packages are done downloaded. So now it is again downloading some certificate stores and all, it packages and all. It's just retrieving it. Okay, again retrieving packages. So these are all the steps. It will be done. You don't need to do anything because the command is there. I have written all the commands which are required, and I have just entered and executed at once. So the commands will keep on running accordingly, and you will be downloading. At last the Arc will be downloaded. Okay, Arc Linux will be downloaded. You just need to follow the instruction. If it's asking any prompt showing like yes or no, then just give yes. Just follow. And also, guys, you all are not subscribing, please subscribe my videos and all, my channel, and like all the videos. Okay, so that I can carry on, I can create much more interesting videos. Okay, based on this topic, it will be quite good to see, as the views are coming but the subscribers are very low, so please support. So here it's synchronizing package database, updating the system. I have installed the LXD desktop environment. Okay, as I have installed Ubuntu in XFC, and also I have installed Kali Linux, which I have showed you in previous video how to install Kali Linux using Termux. That was also in XFC environment. Okay, so now I am installing Arc using LXD. Okay, desktop environment. Okay, so it does just need to follow here the instructions and all. Again, it is proceed with installation, retrieving packages. Some of the packages are left, so it's again doing it. And yeah, it can take some time. Again, I will skip it. Okay, so it is done. Now what you need to do is, let's finish it, and we will be moving in our next steps, and it will just check the packages and all. After the 77 packages are downloaded, it is the same process. You will also follow the same process. Okay, installing Perl, all the tools and all, it is installing repos, all are getting installed. Okay, it can take some more time accordingly if you download. Okay, so don't panic and give that particular time. It is time consuming. I am not telling it's not time consuming, but at last you will get a good result. Okay, you will see that everything is done. If you interrupt in between, then these all can be crashed and you will face error. Okay, so don't skip, don't exit or termux, keep your mobile at side. So everything is done here. Running VNC server start. So it started almost, it is doing everything by itself. Okay, see, I am not typing anything. He itself started VNC server. Okay, so wait, I need to give the password and all. Yeah, I will show that. After setting up, you need to set up the password and all of VNC. Okay, for that you need to write VNC server start. Okay, just type VNC server start dash start and then hit enter. It will prompt for password. Create one password accordingly. This is a most important step of gaining access to any OS. Okay, using that server, VNC server or real VNC, anything. I've showed all these steps in Kali as well as in Ubuntu and now in Arc. Okay, so it's quite easy. I hope you all are understanding. It's in localhost 1. See, now I will open real VNC. I will create one address here, new connection, and I will write localhost colon 1. Okay, I will give a name like arc. Okay, create, then I will connect. After connecting, it will give one encrypted connection because the password is not set here. I will give the password accordingly. Okay, so now just need to connect, and yeah, it's open. I will go in system tools and then I will open terminal. Okay, so after that, for updating, it is not same command as the Kali and all. Okay, it has different commands in term of arc. Okay, it follows pacman and all. Okay, so here I will write sudo for updating. Okay, this command is for updating. Sudo pacman dash syu. Okay, it will update basically. Okay, see, synchronizing that particular part, it is showing it here. Okay, see, synchronizing package database, which I showed you just a few minutes ago, the core and all, which was doing. So that all are important part of the this particular process. Okay, if you will do anything or interrupt in that particular part, then you will face error here. See, See, I'm not facing any type of error, which means everything is working. Package upgraded. Okay, see, now I will install NeoFetch. Okay, to show you that if it's Arc or any other OS. Or see, so for installing anything you need to write sudo pacman -s and then the name of that particular tool or anything else. Just hit Y and click enter Y and hit enter, and here I will clear. So NeoFetch is installed and I will show you if it's Arc or not. See, it's Arc Linux. See, I'm using it in my phone. Okay, you can see. So hopefully you get all my points and my instructions. So meet you in next video. Till then, bye.